Alrighty then, so I got weather strips. Got this brand here, Precision Replacement Parts. Got those from Ostley's, Chevelle parts. Anyway, those fit great. I test fit this door, the other door, trunk seal, all good. I got some work to do. This is the one old door handle we had. The new one was slightly off, the holes that wouldn't line up. And then also, it's a little bit different shape. You can see I scribed around it when it was on here, and that's how far out it came. Anyway, which is fine. This door was dented here. Something at one point in time had hit a handle and it put a crease in the door. I don't know how to explain this. You know how these door handles have like dimples pressed in? Let me just show you where the handle bolts on. This door is fine. I'll show you this side. You can see it's got that. It doesn't have it on the top. It's smooth on the top. It comes around here. It goes out about to there. That's how it's supposed to be. For some reason I didn't notice when I was doing the body work on this side. Wasn't paying attention. And it has it all the way around. There's a ledge right here in the door in the metal too. And I thought, oh, okay, that's how that is. No, it's not how that's supposed to be. It's because this handle got pushed into the door and it made it pressed it in and made it look like it was stamped that way because I wasn't paying attention and I didn't realize. So I need to take this handle off. I need to put a dolly behind here. I need to beat this flat, reshape that, and then redo the body work right here. And also the handle doesn't fit. See how it's not sitting there? It's like sticking out. I don't know if that's showing up, but I need to move this around and make the handle fit flush. Anyway, that's what's going on there. So I'm gonna do that and then continue on down this side. Got a little bit done the other night right here. So got a little bit of the quarter panel left and then onto the door. Alright, so I got the old handle off, hammered and dollied that flat, ground my Bondo off of there actually first. I've got it fitting pretty good. Whoa, blurry. So now I just need to re-Bondo this area here. What sucks is, like, the metal's, I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but when you grab the handle, the whole door flexes here. And so, over time, this is gonna probably have a little ripple or wobble here or something just from the pressure of your hand moving the metal around. It'd be cool to oil those hinges. Man, I can't wait till I paint this thing so I can finally put some oil on those. If you could, like, see what I'm looking at, if you could make like a reinforcement plate or weld something on the back edge of the door to double up the thickness of it to make the door stronger. So I've noticed on like a Camaro we did at work, it's perfectly straight. And then you bolt the handles on and it makes a little distortion in the metal there from the pressure of the bolt against the handle. Something, I don't know. That's something we were looking at, just trying to figure out how to make that not happen. But in any case, that's ready for a little bit of filler, and I am once again done with this door. Again. My buddy Mike must have watched my last video on how to Bondo, and he probably was tired of seeing chunks of Bondo in my filler. He brought me over a mixing board today. I had never used one of the 3M tear-off ones. I've usually used the onion boards, but he said this had more sheets on it and it was cheaper, so we'll give her a shot. Alright, handle is done. Re-skimmed this area, and all those grinder marks I had there and the hammer marks from flattening that out. Now it is correct. It's got the dimplage on the bottom, stops at the point of the handle right there, and flat on the top. Good enough. So here we back. Yes, here we back. Now here we are, back on this side. I have done this area here, and I'm just doing the bottom of the rocker with the quarter right there, and then I will jack it up and do the rocker, and then we're on to the door. Alright, quarter done. Either I'll do the rocker next or do the door. Probably do the rocker next because that part sucks and it's pretty easy. It only sucks because it's down so low, but I'll jack it up and do the rocker, and then you know, the door like we said. Jeez. Oh, it's Monday after work. Came out here and got this rocker done. I was gonna get the bottom of the door done, but I didn't. I got part of the fender over there. I need one more application up there, and then the rest of this door on the bottom, and then I can take it back off the jacks and continue on with the rest of the door. So that's that. Back tomorrow. Okie dokie. Let's see what we got done tonight. We got the bottom of the door from here to there-ish. I already had some here-ish. And we did a little more on the bottom of the fender. This is the fender. We put a patch panel in right about here, down. And it's fitting pretty tasty. It wasn't quite the right shape right here where it curves for the body line, so I need to do one more application of, I was going to try to think of something fancy to call Bondo, but couldn't think of anything, so we're going to put one more swipe there, bring it up a little higher, and nope, we're going to do the door first. So, bottom of the door is done. Nope, I lied. We're going to do the fender one more time so I can finish the bottom and then take it off the jack stands. Then we'll continue back onto the door. Who cares? It's going to be more of the same until we're done. And then here's where we are right now.